Flamin' Rivers VDOG. Now it's hard enough to win one SEAM award. What if I told you it won two? Best engineered and appropriate for this show, Street Rod Best. I'm here with Brett. Brett, tell me about that, man. What is this product?
This is the Variable Angle VDOG, and what this does is get people out of their compromised U-joint angles, lets them mount it in a 90-degree situation, 1-to-1 ratio, has an articulating ball that gives you another 35 degrees, made in either a cast housing or a billet housing. Great for cab overs, any type of situation where they just can't make it work with the U-joints.
Yeah, it's really tough to steer when you get some binding in there. How about the drive system? How does it, 1-to-1, or is it just regular steering?
Exactly, it is a 1-to-1 gear ratio, and by doing that, we didn't compromise the gear ratio that they're already getting supplied by their box or their rack.
Perfect, so it's just going right in line. What about this guy here? We also have another product.
Yeah, this is our Microsteer electric steering unit. So putting the unit together, you're putting it in between the rack and the VDOG, or just your regular U-joints, and what this does is this amplifies your effort by 3 times. So if you have a manual rack or a manual box that just isn't steering as nice as you want to, this would be the kick to put in there and do that.
Yeah, a lot of people don't realize they have electric power steering today, so whether it's a hot rod or a new car, this is going to help you out.
Yeah, exactly. People want the cars nowadays to drive like the car they drive to work every day. When they get in that street rod or muscle car, they kind of lose focus on what's going on, and that's what we're here for.
Well, perfect. That's exactly what we're here for. Flamin' Rivers VDOG and the power steering, it's a winner. Check them out on the website.